the three types of things you're going to be graphing in this chapter are a line, a parabola, and a circle. A line is always going to look like this: y equals ax plus b. And a parabola is going to be y equals ax squared. So the x squared is going to be different. That tells you that you're going to be doing like a U shape, plus b. And then a circle, everything is squared, and it's formed as x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So if you see this format, you know that you're going to be doing a line, graphing it. If you see this format with an x squared, you know it's going to be a parabola. And if everything is squared, you know you're graphing a circle. So what this is called is a linear equation it's an equation whose graph is a line you solve to get points to graph. So you choose points to plug in, and you're going to make a table. That's the first step. So they're going to give you a problem. Let me get an example. So the first problem example is, can you see the whole page, honey, right here?
No, I can't see the top.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
So I can't see the book and my dock camera, so just let me know if you can't see it. Interrupt me so I can move the page down. Okay, so we have this equation right here. So is this going to be a parabola, a circle, or a line?
Line.
So they're not going to tell you to do this. This is just what you do. You pick some points to graph. So you're going to make a table like this. These are the steps. They're not going to tell you to do this. When you see this line, this is what you do. So you're going to pick some points on a graph. Usually you pick like -1, 0, and 1 or 2. So you pick a negative number, a 0, and then a positive number. And here's what we're going to do. We are going to put, this is x, this is y, and then this is your x and y coordinates. So this is what we're going to be graphing. But we have to actually figure out what it is that we're supposed to be graphing. So you're going to plug in -1 plus 1 equals y, which is this right here. So they're saying, what we're saying, that x is -1. So you take this formula and you put it here, and you're going to plug in x plus 1 equals y. For our first point, it's going to be -1. So you say -1 plus 1 equals what? 0.
0, yeah.
So when x is -1, y is 0. So you're going to put that as your first point to graph. Your second point is x plus 1 equals y, and we're saying that our second point is 0. So we're going to do x plus 1 equals y, y equals 1. And then we're going to put in our x here and our 1 here. Then we're going to do the third equation. So when x is 2, so 2 plus 1 equals what? It equals 3. So when x is 2, y is 3. So now we have 3 points on our graph. And I'm going to get my graph paper out, and I'm going to show you how we graph and connect it.
Can I, like, copy it down?
Yeah.
Okay.